Uwa Vincent H. Pala, ubolong President joka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, uluang baki Ngi Nym joka Seng Congress Ngim Dei kiba Bieit, berkitip Mano na preng kiamali kiba milik syu na Seng Congress bat Mano kiba nangile na Seng. Ia kan di ulapan pau habekran bikila pathai kubor haka khatweterik orpang arajar arpuar hari malawai ke Executive Committee joka Seng Congress.
When they left without consulting us, it's not a question of infighting. Maybe they have their own interest, they have their own, own plan, own vision. So I don't think that I was talking to Madam Amprin yesterday also, and she told me, sir, we cannot afford to live to stay in the opposition. That's the main reasons.
So, but what do you have to say on this allegation that your 5 MLAs may not even contest from the party?
We don't have a problem whether they fight or not. We are so not fools. We also know in advance who is who, what is what. So we are doing our ground. We prepare our ground. Honestly, I know who is going to fight from us, who is not going to fight from us.
Hapapan pau yang kajing na yaso jiki sangut ki American Congress jaka sokar MDA ubak pala ulong bakade ka kamram jongka All India Congress Committee marshim jepi stambiki namar kamsyong hakabor jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee.
Tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discussed with them now over phone. So definitely they'll take an action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. So likely, I think the MLAs may be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say, the MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government.
Habala kali halo kan kajing eso jongki MLA jaka sokar MDA ubak pala ulapan pau da kabsyai bakili baro kadai namar kapisa kabadon hau doyong kabana kajing kai masi ba da kawi de ke benta ya kabala penerkam da Seng NPP mantit yaki da kapisa kabrem ulapan pau ya kajing skusi bakani kaju kapisa kala banle wat chadu ki balang sikisnong bakam ta ter namar Seng NPP ada kapelong jika jalan pak kipai mak kenuman mereka cutiat dan ni kasu amdor no ia kemeli berkenan penyesok berkenan Seng.
The main reasons I think I can confidently say that the ill-gotten money which they get from the roadside, from the coal, from the cow, from the chips, from everything has spilled towards politicians. I'm afraid that it will split towards the churches, towards the villages, and also will become like a Nagaland. The individual politicians will be very rich, and whereas the state will be poor. If you go to Nagaland as on today, if you see that election will not be fought based on ideology, will not be fought based on issues, but I'm sorry to say, not only example Nagaland, other states, many other areas also. So it is based on how much money you are spending. So I'm sorry to say that Meghalaya, we never had that problem. This will be the first time when you see that, example at NPP, if they go to the ground, grassroots, they want to organize, nobody will be with them to organize. Trinamool is trying to organize, nobody is joining them easily. So all these parties, if they're trying to organize, nobody will join them. That's why they're trying to buy, or they're trying to lure the MLA so that they have a base on the ground. I think that's one of the main reasons why they target the MLAs, the MDCs, our district presidents. They have approached so many of our people also.